5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hey guys, this is Tornado Dude 448 here with my third video of this Monday night. As you can see, it is Monday, March 4th, 2019. I'm doing the lastly I'm doing the unboxing of the Live Well of the Sharp Sunrise alarm clock with 2 amp USB charge port. Sunrise simulator, 2 amp USB charge port, color changing mood light. Without further ado, let's open the box. Without further wait, let's open the box. Hey. If you had to rip it a little to get to the tab. And that's the DC jack. Packaging. The radio, the clock, and the instruction manual. The sunrise feature on this clock generally wakes you like the natural sun peering through your window. The alarm generally gradually increases the light to full strength over half an hour. The alarm will sound after the light reaches full strength, allowing you to wake more calmly. Charge your smartphone and/or tablet. Most conventional USB charge works on 1 amp. Having 2 amps needs much more power. Faster charge times gives you the option to charge more powerful devices. Color changing mood light. The clock can illuminate several colors and add ambience to any room. You can also freeze on any desired colors while holding down the color button. So that's that. That's the box. So this, my fans, my viewers, is what this alarm clock looks like. Sunrise color, alarm 1, alarm 2, time, hour, minute. And then there's a power jack. And for backup, like this one, this requires 2 AAA batteries, not sold separately. I'm going to plug this in. That's the DC jack. I'm going to throw it over there. Oh, this is a white. This has the white colored LED this time. And no, I'm not being racist. So this is the instruction manual. I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna place this on a flat surface like my bed. Other than my nightstand, which is right here, this bed, which is what I lay on at night, is the only other one. Connected to the power supply, I already did that. On the clock and alarm backup batteries, I'll skip that until later. Inserting the batteries, skip that. USB charging, skip that. Setting the clock. This is where it gets a little interesting. Press and hold the time button. That's at the back. Come on. $15. I need to get to 38. That's 28. Oh, I'm still at 28. Darn it. My right hand is stronger than my left. Sorry, guys. Sorry if this is not comfort to your liking either. If you do get this product. So it looks like this is it. I need to figure out how to set the time. Tornado do 448 here. If you like this video, be sure to click like and comment or comment. Also, be sure to do. I would please do consider subscribing. It will be greatly appreciated. That's up to you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.